friends, welcome to the Titlezen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Masters Sneaker X Bounce PC. So friend, this PC system is limited edition masterpiece from Cooler Master. It is blending high-end performance with street culture aesthetic, and the system is collaborative creation for a graffiti artist bound featuring detachable speakers, LED design elements, top-tier hardware, and is not just a PC but a compatible piece art resonate with sneaker, music and street culture. So friend, it's a symbol of a fusion of technology, art and culture. And friend, for more information, the key features: unique street culture design, detachable sneaker with DTS Studio Sound offers an immersive surround sound experience, high performance engineering which built to handle gaming, creative work and more with easy tasks. Limited edition collaborative, only 1000 pieces available. Innovative audio technology feature LED lights and wireless speaker design inspired by Bounce Rabbit. Exclusive identity collaborate Graffiti legend Bounce brings his distinguished light to PC world. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.